LinkedIn is still my #1 client acquisition channel, even though I haven't spent a single dollar on paid ads. I have never used an agency for cold outreach, and I never plan to use any scummy cold outreach tactics that most people swear by. I've also never hired a sales team or paid for an outreach tool to blast all of my paid offers to people who didn't ask for them. Now in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how this works. I'm going over the actual system that I use every single day to turn LinkedIn into that channel that drives the most revenue in my business. Now, there are 3 parts to this. The first one is brand identity, the second is content, and third is network growth with a conversion system behind it. When all 3 of these things are running together, you do not need paid ads, and you definitely do not have to spam sell in your DMs. Now, for quick context, I run the Growth Innovator program and founded the LinkedIn Growth System, which is now used by over 700 plus founders in my school community. I've managed to grow over 42,000 followers on LinkedIn, 300,000 on all of my socials, and reach nearly $200,000 in revenue from LinkedIn alone. And now I'm sharing everything I learned along the way with you. Now, before you post a single piece of content, you need to solve one very specific problem. When someone finds you anywhere online, they need to immediately understand what you do, who you do it for, and why you are the right person to help them. Not just on LinkedIn, I'm talking about everywhere. Your LinkedIn profile, your website, your newsletter, your YouTube channel, your Instagram bio. Every single place your name shows up online needs to say the exact same thing in the exact same language. And this is how you're going to win in search results right now. There's a concept called AEO. This is Answer Engine Optimization. And basically what this is when someone goes to ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google's AR Overview, Claude, and types "who teaches LinkedIn for founders," for example. The answer that comes back is built from associations those AI systems have pulled from across the entire internet. So the more consistently your name, your category, and your methodology appears together across every platform and every piece of content that you publish, the stronger that association becomes. So over time, you will become the answer that ChatGPT, for example, gives to people. So for me, the category would be something like the LinkedIn client acquisition. The methodology is the LinkedIn growth system. And then those 2 phrases show up everywhere that I exist online. My LinkedIn headline, my website hero section, my newsletter tagline, my YouTube video descriptions, my Instagram bio. All of it says the same thing in the same language because repetition across sources is how AI learns who the authority is on a specific given topic. But before you can be consistent, you also have to be extremely clear. You need to know exactly what you do, who you do it for, and what results are they going to get. And you also want to provide the very final version of it. I teach founders how to turn LinkedIn into their #1 client acquisition channel using a complete system built on content, DMs, LinkedIn Lives, newsletters, profile optimization, no paid ads, no hacks, one updated system. This is a perfect example of what my one-liner looks like. I didn't change it last month. I'm not going to change it next month. Every piece of my online presence is built on that sentence. So my ask for you is that you need to figure out yours, lock it in, and then put it everywhere that you have online. When someone finds you on, let's say, LinkedIn, and then goes to check your website, and then they go to your newsletter, maybe even your Instagram, they should feel like they are getting more of the same person, not 4 different versions of yourself. Now, that consistency is going to be your foundation. Everything else is essentially built on top of it. Now, I don't sell too much on LinkedIn. I know that sounds counterintuitive for someone who calls it his #1 client acquisition channel, but there's a huge difference between where you acquire clients and where you actually close them. LinkedIn is where I get found. It's not the main place where I close my deals. The way I think about content is this. Every post that I publish should do one of 3 things. The first one is get someone to follow me. Then it's get someone into my newsletter or masterclass. And the third thing is get someone to simply send me a DM. That's it. I'm not trying to pitch inside all my posts. I'm trying to move someone one step closer to a place where I can actually demonstrate value in a much deeper way than just LinkedIn content. Now, for me, that place is my live masterclass, my newsletter, and of course, my private community. Those are where people go to get real value, and those are where the buying decisions actually are going to happen. You have to kind of think about where your buyers actually are going to convert. Most people I coach are trying to close clients inside of their LinkedIn post, for example. This is like putting a buy button on a massive billboard that you see. The buy button goes somewhere else. The content is the billboard, so you have to acknowledge where the buy button should live. Now, for my masterclass, I teach the full LinkedIn growth system live. I don't do any sort of pitching up front, just value. And then by the end, the people in the room understand the entire system that I'm teaching. They have seen it work real time. And the ones who want to go even faster are already sending me some DMs about it. Now, my newsletter does the same exact thing over time. I send it every single week. I teach one very specific actionable insight from the system. And then over time, the founders who keep opening it, keep reading it, keep implementing it, those are the ones who eventually become my paying high-ticket clients. So when you think about your content strategy on LinkedIn, the question is usually not, how do I sell in this post? The question would be, what is the next step I want this person to take, and how do I make that step super obvious? I want you to build your content with that in mind. Point everything towards your funnels, not just your offer page. Next is the part of my system that most people are going to overlook because it doesn't sound too exciting, and it's actually one of the most profitable things I do on LinkedIn. Now, every single week, I do this for my clients as well. We send out 200 connection requests every single week, and LinkedIn Premium gives you 200. And if you're on a standard account, if you don't have Premium, then you usually get around 100 per week. I use every single one of them, no exceptions. And here's the biggest thing. I am not connecting with random people. This is a huge mistake that most people are making. I am connecting with my ICP. I'm connecting with founders, coaches, consultants, service providers, the exact people that the LinkedIn growth system is built for. I find them through Sales Navigator, search results, through people who engage with my content, other people's content, through other communities that overlap with my audience. I am very deliberate with who I send requests to. And then when those people accept the connections, I do not send them a cold pitch DM. I do not have a VA firing off templated messages the second someone hits confirm. I spend time building the connection, and that's it. I grow my network, I connect with my ICP, and I make some new LinkedIn friends along the way. This is all part of my strategy. Now, when it actually comes time to convert, now out of those 200 connections I send every week, about 40 to 60% are actually going to accept. That's about 80 to 120 new connections per week. And they're also matching my ICP credentials. And when they accept my connection, I have really one main goal, which is to get people to attend my LinkedIn Live Masterclass. I'm not sending people to a sales call. I'm not trying to send them to a pitch. I'm not sending them like a 20 sequence message sequence that doesn't work on LinkedIn. I'm not trying to manufacture a problem and then offer some sort of crazy solution in the DMs. I'm not selling anything in the masterclass either. I am teaching the LinkedIn growth system live, and I'm showing them exactly how it works, walking them through the entire process, the strategy. I'm answering real questions live, and then by the end of the session, the people who are ready to go faster are already raising their hand. That first yes, join the masterclass, that's the really easy step. Get people to join something. It costs nothing for them, just some time, of course, on their end. And this is the beginning of a real relationship. And then from that masterclass, some people are going to join my newsletter. Some are going to join my community. Others apply for my coaching or my cohort, which is fantastic. Some of these people will be ready in 6 months, but they are all in my world now. And I did not have to sell anything inside of LinkedIn to get them there. So here's the full picture right now. Part one is lock in your brand identity. You have one message, a consistent across every platform, so that when someone finds you anywhere online, they know immediately what you do and who you do it for. Now, part two is create content that drives people to your funnels, not just your offer page. Know where your buyers actually convert and point your LinkedIn content towards there. And part three, send 200 targeted connection requests every single week. I want you to connect with your ICP, build the network without pitching, and move people who accept into your masterclass or your first trust building step. Now, if you want the complete LinkedIn growth system, I'll be breaking down the first 3 pillars inside my live masterclass this Friday. If you want to reserve your seat, you can do that by going to the description of this video and sign up with your email. And if you're not there yet, make sure to subscribe to me here on YouTube. Every week, I post exactly what's working on LinkedIn right now. And guys, that's actually going to be it for this video. I will see you in the next amazing one. Peace out.